Howdy Sea Campers! My name is Audrey and I am one of your Sea Camp instructors. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make earth slime. To do this little craft you're going to need 2 bottles of glue, blue and green food coloring, some baking soda, and some contact solution. So to get started, we're going to take our first bottle of glue and pour it into our bowl. Next, we're going to take one of our food colorings. I'm going to start with blue, and you're just going to add a few drops in. I added 3. And then y'all are going to go ahead and take a tablespoon worth of your baking soda and pour that into your bowl. Perfect. I'm just going to shake that in. And then you're going to take your contact solution and pour a good amount in there. Remember that the more you add, the more tough your slime is going to be. So if you want it more slimy, don't add too much, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and mix this in. Alright, then you're going to pull up your sleeves and you're going to use your hands and you're going to mix this together till it reaches the consistency that you need for your slime. So it looks like I need some more contact solution, so I'm going to add more to mine. This is an estimate game. You really add however much you want until you get the perfect amount of slime. Alright, so now I finished my blue slime. Perfectly good amount. It's nice and sticky. So now we're going to go ahead and start with our green slime. So you're going to do the exact same procedure again. You're going to start off with your bottle of glue. Just in case y'all wanted to know, this is just a 4 fluid ounce size glue. You could do less, you could do more. Just kind of depends on how big you want your earth to be. Alright, and again you're going to take your green food coloring, pour that in. Alright, and then we're going to take our baking soda. This time I'm going to add about a tablespoon and a half because that's really where I ended up on my perfect amount of slime, but it may be different for you. Just go off of really what makes you happy with your slime. Alright, and then I'm going to take my contact solution and just pour that in. Alright, then again, we're going to just mix this up until we get to the right consistency that we want for our slime. Alright guys, so now I've built up my green slime to the consistency that I like. Just remember that it's a building process, so you may need to add more baking soda or you may need to add more contact solution. Just do what works for you. I wouldn't do more than 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda. You don't want your slime to get too sturdy. Alright, so now that I've got my blue and my green slime, I'm just going to take it and mix it together till I get my earth. So that's it that I have for you guys in this video. So I hope you guys are having a great summer and I hope to see you guys back again next summer. Alright, bye!